The awakening of 3I Atlas. For months, 3I Atlas has hung in our skies. A green, pulsing enigma unlike anything we've ever known. An interstellar wanderer, vast beyond measure. Its emerald glow painted our nights. It unsettled even the most seasoned astronomers. From the first detection, nothing about it fit. Its scale. Its rhythm. Its strange, heartbeat like pulses of energy. And just as humanity began to adapt, to treat it as a single, inexplicable visitor racing toward the sun, it changed. It did not break apart in chaos like a dying comet. It divided. Smoothly. Deliberately. One colossal body continued on its original path toward the sun. The other bent its trajectory, not randomly, but with precision, toward Mars. This was not destruction. It was reproduction. High-resolution images revealed a bulge of light forming on Atlas's side. It condensed, coalesced, became a second luminous core. No debris. No scatter. Two complete entities. Two pulses in perfect synchrony. Like a cell undergoing mitosis. Scientists stared, stunned, as physics seemed to bend before their eyes. Atlas had not fractured. It had multiplied. Then came the calculations. The first fragment stayed on course toward the sun. The second veered steadily toward Mars. Straight into the path of orbiters, satellites, and rovers. Mars, humanity's dream of a second home, was now in jeopardy. Yet some whispered another possibility. What if the course was not destructive at all? What if Atlas divided so one half could dance with the sun, while the other descended upon the red world? Even more unsettling was the invisible bond. Across millions of kilometers, both bodies still pulsed as one. Twin beacons flashing with uncanny precision. A single organism stretched across space. Soon, Mars began to respond. Its thin atmosphere shifted. Dust storms spiraled with impossible symmetry. Faint flashes rippled in the upper air. Its dormant magnetosphere stirred, glowing faintly, as if being reawakened. The closer Atlas drew, the stranger it became. Its emerald halo flickered with patterns. Spirals. Grids. Geometries. Not random sunlight on ice, but signals. Some matched mathematical constants. Others echoed symbols carved into Earth's oldest stones. It looked less like a comet, and more like a message. Then came the moons. Phobos's orbit shifted subtly. Deimos glowed faintly with the same emerald pulse. Rovers tried to capture images. But the files returned corrupted, streaked in green static. The scientific community fractured. One camp clung to natural explanations. The other declared the obvious: Atlas was no comet. It was alive. Or it was built. And then came the night that changed everything. The fragment reached Mars. It passed between the planet and the sun. An eclipse of blinding green. For hours, the red planet glowed like a lantern. Hexagons and spirals rippled across its surface. Pole to pole, patterns of light carved the planet's skin. When the eclipse ended, Mars re-emerged. But it was no longer the same. It had been marked. After the emerald eclipse, seismic monitors lit up. Rhythmic tremors echoed deep beneath Mars's crust. Magnetic scans revealed vast hidden structures stirring below. Some said volcanic systems. Others whispered something older was awakening. And then the signal crossed space. The pulse reached Earth. At first faint, a whisper in radio static. Then stronger. Structured. Undeniable. Patterns emerged. Geometry. Mathematics. Order. The same myths of twin stars and green serpents dividing the heavens. The same symbols carved into ancient stones. NASA stayed silent. But Voyager knew. Webb knew. Earth's own instruments confirmed. Atlas is not a comet. Not an asteroid. Not an accident. It is a process. A design. A presence with purpose. Now the question is no longer whether Atlas is alive. It is whether Mars was chosen as its cradle. Or whether its awakening there is only the first step. Because the signals no longer belong to another world. They are here now. Pulsing in our skies. Vibrating in our machines. Resonating deep within us. The countdown has already begun. And when Atlas makes its next move, humanity will face a truth we are not prepared for. We are not witnessing a comet from another star. We are witnessing an awakening. One that may redefine our place in the cosmos